Down here at Food and Hospitality, the knives, pots and pans are out as students train for the 2019 Toque D'or culinary competition. I'm Emma and you're watching The Beat. Toque D'or is considered New Zealand's premier student culinary and front of house competition. Ara took out the title last year and so they're hoping to do it again this year. Toque D'or translates to golden hat and this is the original trophy. We've won it so many times that we got to keep it.
How has the training been going?
It's been going really well. It's been really full on. We've done probably almost 10 practices and they are long, like we do the full start to finish every time. So they've been going really well. It's nice to improve every now and then, a couple of slips back every now and then, but most of the time we're improving and moving forward.
Has it been helpful getting feedback from the people acting as judges?
Yes, it is really helpful. So the main thing is that you can improve your errors while doing it. It's little bit of things that you didn't consider and other people can consider. It's actually being more professional.
Do you have to know all of the dishes off by heart, like every single detail?
Every single piece of salt I need to know. So all components, there's 15 pages of menus of things that I need to know. Everything about the wine, which vineyard it came from, the year. You just need to know everything.
The students have to create their menus from a list of set ingredients before they fly up to Auckland where the competition is held. And no pressure, but they have to make sure it's as perfect as possible because it's judged by a selection of local and international judges from the industry. The stakes are high, but our Ara team is prepping hard and is going to give it their all. Go team! I'm Emma and you've been watching The Beat.